back to LearningStrome Academy. So friends, if you haven't pressed our subscribe button, so press it. Okay friends, so today the topic that we have to discuss is string and boolean literals. Actually friend, these topics are very small, so that's why I am uh, explaining both these topic in this video. Okay friends, so let's start the discussion. So friend, what are the string literals? So actually friend, as we know, I think, what are the string literals? A different sequence of characters within a double quote is treated as a string literals. Okay, so whenever we have a sequence of characters which are in double quotes, okay, these are what strings. These are string literals. Okay, so friends, in Java, strings are not same like as C and C++. Okay, as in C and C++, strings are simple. They are primitive type. But in Java, friend, strings are not like C and C++. In Java, friend, string is a class. So here, friend, there are some. Whenever we are assigning a string literal to a string at a time, friend, we create a string object. Okay, so this is a difference between the string in Java and string in C and C++. Okay, whenever we are creating or we are assigning a string literal to a particular string identifier, in that time frame we are creating a new string object. Okay, so friend, today I will show you our friend one more thing. One more thing, see, if I am going to assign LearningStrome Academy to a string S, okay, that time friend, my compiler is going to generate an object of string type, okay, and going to assign LearningStrome Academy this string literal to this string, okay. But friend, if I am going to again assign string literal same string literal to again another object, at that time friend, we are my compiler will create a reference, not an object. So I will show you actually what I am trying to show you, okay, explain you. Okay, so this is a string literals. So friend, then see, in friends, as we study in the type keywords, we have three kind of reserved literals. Okay, one is true and false, and third is null. Okay friend, so friend, why we use null? Actually friend, whenever we want to assign whenever we want to after creating, I don't want to assign anything to my object, or I don't want to allocate any memory to my object, that time friend we use this keyword null. Okay, so friend, if I don't want to allocate any memory to my string object, at that time friend we can assign a null literal, okay, null reserve literal to that object. Okay friends, so friend, what in that second topic that we have to discuss is Boolean letters. So what is Boolean letters? Friends, Boolean letters support only two values, or only two values, that is true and false. Here friend, the true and false should be in small cases, okay, not in capital cases, as friend, because these are reserved literals, and according to Java, each and every keyword should be in small cases. Okay, so that's my friend, always don't be confused with that. People mostly do mistakes here. Okay, so friend, true and false should be in small cases. Okay, so friend, this is some example how to sign a boolean literal to boolean data type. Okay friends, so friend, if I'm going to send 0 and 1, in that case friend, what will happen? Okay, and so let's see the different ways, something practical of boolean data. See friend, here we have here we have a string s1. Okay, here I'm assigning a string LearningStrome Academy. Okay, another string I have s2. Okay, I'm assigning a null to it, and third string I have is hello welcome to all, and slash n. Okay, so friend, let me tell you, for and also yeah, so let's build s3. Yeah, see friend, s3. Okay, okay, so let's compile this program friend. First save it properly and then combine it. Yeah, see friend, okay, I'm getting s2 is already defined. Sorry, yeah, actually I'm opening same variable here. Actually, s4. Okay, friends. See here. Actually, I was using a variable again. That's why I got an that error. Okay, variable s2 is already defined. Okay, so friend, see our program is compiled properly. So let's run it. See friend, first of all, when I was printing, hello, welcome back to learning slash n plus Chrome Academy. Friends, see here, my compiler actually actually he concatenated this line. But friend, as I added slash n, so actually what actually my compiler did actually perform the functionality of slash n here. See friend, we are getting a new line after the learning. Okay, it's mean that, and whenever we are going to add any escape sequences in our string, in that case it is not going to print, it is actually friend, okay, it is actually friend, that time friend, it is going to perform its corresponding functionality. Okay, see friends, okay, this is the way in which in which we can put our escape sequences in a string, and we can combine more than two lines with the using of concatenation operator. Okay friend, this, and second thing friend that I have to tell you that yeah, here I was using hello welcome you to all. Here also I have to show you the functionality of escape sequence in the string letters. Okay, see here when we after printing hello welcome to all, we have a new line, and after the new line we are again printing our another string, that is learning from academy. See, so this is the simple way friend in which we can friend, yeah, in which we can in which we can use our string letters in our program. Okay, so friend, here the strings are different than this different than the other language like C and C plus. So friend, remind it. Okay, so friend, let's talk about boolean data type. Friend, in Java we have boolean data type. Okay, so this boolean data type friend actually Boolean type actually friend use only two reserve letters. Okay, that is true and false. So friend, the key point that you have to notice it. Usually friend, what actually while writing the true and false, or while assigning the true and false, actually what people mostly do actually friend, they use the uppercase letter for these things. Okay, so this in Java friend, if I want to assign true and false to any value, then I have to use the small case letter. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay friend, don't forget it. Okay, so this is all about the boolean data type. Okay friend, in Java friend, boolean data type actually accept only two values. Okay, not more than that. If I'm going to assign any other value, expect true and false, in that case we are going to get an error. So friend, let's compile this program and see what is the value of that string. Okay, we are getting true and false. So friend, what we will actually do, if I'm going to write capital T, okay, but if I'm going to write capital F, in that case friend, our Java compiler will give us error at the compilation time. It will say cannot file symbol. Yeah, exactly friend. Whenever we are assigning that kind of symbol that is known that is not understandable to our compiler, here friend, actually we are assigning true to b. Okay, my compiler will think that actually, okay, it is my compiler will think that it is some any variable. Okay, then it will try to find this variable in this program. Okay, but here it is unable to find this variable in my program. That's why it is giving us error that symbol variable true location class string and boolean cannot find that symbol. Okay, so this is the case when whenever we are going to use true and false in the small case letter, then we can then this is the only valid way to assign the boolean data type, boolean letters. Okay, otherwise we will get an error. Okay friend, and one more thing friend, what people actually do in as in C and C++, we can, as in C and C++, we can assign 0 and 1 also to our boolean data type. But here friend, it is also a compiled error. Actually friend, our Java compiler will accept only boolean letters in the form of true and false. Okay, expect these. All other things are invalid for our Java compiler. See friend, we are getting an error that incompatible types data, we are assigning an integer value, and I cannot convert this integer value to boolean value. Okay friend, so this is the way friend in which we can assign string and literal data type. Okay, so thank you friend. If you like a channel, like this video, so please friend keep your thumb up and subscribe our channel and share this video more and more, and also give us feedback in comments so that we can give content according to your requirement. Okay friend, thank you, bye bye.